Cash App allows you to send money using credit cards, but this convenience comes with specific fees and limits you should understand. Cash App supports all major credit card networks. You can link Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover cards to your account. However, using a credit card comes with a 3% transaction fee. This means for every dollar you send, you pay an additional 3 cents in fees. Your sending limits depend on whether your account is verified. Unverified accounts can only send $250 per week, while verified accounts can send up to $2,500 per week. To verify your account and unlock higher limits, you need to provide your full name, date of birth, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and complete phone number verification. Credit cards on Cash App are best used in specific situations. The main scenarios are emergencies when you need immediate funds, or when your bank account has insufficient balance and you can't wait for a bank transfer. The cheapest alternative is linking your bank account to Cash App. Bank transfers are completely free, but they take 1 to 3 business days to process. This is perfect when you're not in a rush and want to avoid fees entirely. Another fee-free option is using your existing Cash App balance. If you already have money in your Cash App account, sending it to others costs nothing. You can build up your balance through direct deposits or by receiving money from others. Debit cards can also be a better option than credit cards. Many debit card transactions on Cash App have lower fees or sometimes no fees at all, depending on your bank and card type. This gives you instant transfers without the high 3% credit card fee. To minimize fees, follow these strategies. First, maintain a sufficient Cash App balance for regular transactions. Second, only use credit cards for larger amounts where the percentage fee is more acceptable. Third, plan ahead and use bank transfers when possible. Finally, be aware that all credit card transactions on Cash App are subject to anti-money laundering regulations and fraud monitoring. This means larger or unusual transactions may be flagged for review, which could cause delays even with credit card payments.